Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to import and load data into Power BI using JSON file. So as you can see here, we have a data file which contains JSON structure which is both employee which containing the following items like code employee, the name, the family name, the job title, the department, the phone number, the address of work, the code boss. So we have a lot of data here, which is JSON structure. We will load it together. So let's start. Here we have the Power BI desktop. Get data. Click on more. We will choose the JSON. Let's select uh, the uh, the location of our file. So as you can see here, we have a list of data. Click on list, convert to table. We have here uh, 47 items, as you can see here. So we will create a table from a list of our values. The delimiter we will select none, and how to handle extra columns shows as errors. Let's click OK. Here, as you can see, it will show you all the columns. You can select all the columns or select only the columns that you want to see, or you want it to be appears in your report. We click also on load more. Sometimes it shows you not all the columns names. So let's click on OK. And here we go. We have here all the data of our JSON structure. So let's click on advanced editors. As you can see here, we choose first of all the source, which is a JSON document, and we pick the file contents, and we load the data. So and we convert it to a table, and without the delimiter, and the extra value will appears as errors, and we expand all the columns as you can see here. So thanks all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channels to view more videos, and please like it and share it with all your friends and with your colleagues and teammates. And please don't forget to comment as your feedback and what you want to see in next videos. See you and in next videos, and bye.